YouCan's science-based foundation will equip youth with the knowledge and tools to create change themselves. They will become climate literate citizens, aware of green career pathways, and contribute to Canada's goal of net zero GHG emissions by 2050. The collaborative regional approach of YouCan allows for local issues with local solutions to be highlighted, creating momentum across the Atlantic provinces. Les approches régionales collaboratives du tout-peu permettent de mettre en évidence les problèmes locaux avec des solutions locales, créant ainsi une dynamique dans les provinces atlantiques. It also creates opportunities for more meaningful relations with Indigenous nations, leading to the incorporation of relevant and culturally appropriate additional Indigenous ways of knowing, showing respect for regional differences between cultures. We and our projects, our partners, the Gaia Project and Conservation Corps of Newfoundland and Labrador, we're going to be quite busy over the next few years, but we're so very excited. We all know it's imperative for the next generation to understand both the science and the solutions behind climate change, as they will be the ones charged with leading the change to address these issues in the future. I encourage you all to stay connected through Clean Socials, as well as those of our partners, Gaia and CCNL, to learn more about YouCan and our progress. Once again, thank you for joining and attending today as we share this great news. De nouveau, j'aimerais vous remercier d'être venu aujourd'hui pour partager ces bonnes nouvelles avec nous. Merci beaucoup.